Okay, YouTube. So, today, can you daily drive a bus? Nah, I'm just kidding. Obviously, it's not going to be my daily driver. I got this older Cadillac CTS that I daily drive, but it doesn't look like it right now. If you saw my Instagram story yesterday, you would know I had a flat tire yesterday, and it's going flat again. There's a huge piece of metal in that tire that I need to plug, and tomorrow's my day off. I just didn't feel like messing with it before then, so I'm going to plug it tomorrow. But today, for a couple other reasons as well, I'm going to take the bus to work. I have to pick up some supplies for a shed project I've been working on, including 2 pallets that clearly won't fit in the Cadillac. So, taking the bus, going to get two pallets, and some other supplies that I need to get from my work as well as another shop, so that on tomorrow, my day off, I can start some paint prep and finish up this garage project. But, to complicate things even further, I have to take my son to meet my wife. So we have the car seat in the bus today. So we're just going to tidy up some loose ends real quick, make sure none of this stuff is going to fly around when we drive the bus, and then we are taking the bus to work.
How you do?
YouTube, that's my 5-year-old son, Caden. Are we going to take the bus? Yeah? All right, let's go. Let's get on the bus. Go ahead. This kid loves the bus. We get the kid, we get the juice, we get the Red Bull. Now we gotta go get mommy. Right? First we gotta do something about this horrible windshield with all the pollen, and yeah, look at that. That's nasty. That's just gonna have to do for now. YouTube. Comment down below, let me know how this mic sounds. This is a new microphone that I got from my phone. I'm going to continue to use my phone for the videos and for the vlogs for a little while. Obviously, I cut the video a little short before I pulled into my work. For our social media guidelines, I'm not really too sure how they feel about vlogging or just being included in a YouTube video, I should say, not really vlogging. I wouldn't have vlogged at work. As you can tell by my crazy look right now, that it was a rough day at work. We're out here, got the bus warmed up already, about to head home. Probably gonna tie this into some things that are happening tomorrow. In the meantime, I will see you guys later on. Okay, so here we are a couple days later after I started this video, when I drove the bus to work and all that. Finally got a haircut, looking a little better. Just got done a major storm. A couple of larger branches fell down, hit the bus, hit my car. Got some cleanup to do when we come back. First, as you can hear, the bus is running. We're gonna take the bus. We're gonna mail the gift card to Jess, the winner of the gift card giveaway from the 25 subs. It's a $25 Visa gift card, so congratulations to Jess. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you all of you for subscribing to the channel, and I can't wait to get to this 50 sub giveaway. Right now, at the time of this video, I think we're holding steady at 29 or 30, but today we're gonna finish it up by taking the bus, get some fuel to drop off this gift card at the post office. Let's go get this gift card mailed. Okay, so first things first, let's see how the neighborhood looks after that storm. See if there's more branches down than just what I see in my yard. I wanted to drive with the door open, but I want you guys to be able to hear me too. So we're gonna go out this way so we don't bother that family. And as you see, we're gonna take this turn wide so we don't crush our toolbox. Step one of driving a bus in little neighborhoods, we have to take all these turns wide so we don't crush toolboxes. If you guys want to see step two of driving a bus in a neighborhood, is watch the judgy neighbors. My street actually has a 6-ton weight limit, which this bus breaks, but we're not commercial. We're driving the bus to our house, so it does not apply. Vlogger, and I'm doing this with my phone, as well as, even though it is legal to record inside a post office, most post offices don't really know that and don't welcome recording. So we're gonna go in here and probably not record. So here it is. Here's Jess's $25 Visa gift card as promised. We're gonna go ahead and get this sent out. It only has one state to travel, so Jess should get it pretty soon. She won this gift card simply by subscribing to the channel and liking a post on Instagram. We did this gift card at 25 subs, and I'm really excited for the next one coming at 50 subs. So we're just gonna go ahead into the post office. I'm gonna put our mask on first because we're still dealing with COVID-19. Alright, so with the gift card mail, guess we can take this off now to ride at the post office. Alright, so one thing is, when I bought the bus, the previous owner had disabled the backup alarm. I may actually go ahead and put that back on. She's just a little too big to be backing up without a backup alarm. Actually, the speaker was removed and everything, so it wouldn't be too hard to just get another one. It's not something I can just reconnect. One quick detour I forgot to mention. So we're gonna hit the motorcycle dealership right near my house. Need a couple of parts for my bike, and I've been waiting to show a couple of the guys at the shop the bus. Somebody got themselves a new side-by-side. Hopefully I can find a good spot to park this big girl. I'm just gonna take it right over here. Just went and visited my good buddies at Mount Holly Kawasaki. Picked up some oil, picked up a filter and some vent line for my gas tank because having a little bit of issues with that. Now we're gonna head home. We're gonna put some gas in this big girl on the way. Whoa, look at that cabinet flying open. Must not have locked that. For this fill up, we're sitting at a little under a quarter of the tank. So let's fill this up and see how much it takes with that. Even in New Jersey where we don't pump our own gas, diesel is self-serve. Now the difference is when you're doing a self-serve at a diesel pump, I can't swipe my card first. I'm just gonna pump, and then I'm gonna pay the guy afterwards. Diesel here is $2.33. It's a little more expensive than I was used to paying on the trip. where it was under $2 a gallon. I need it. I got to put it in there. You don't really want to let these buses or these diesels sit with so low in the tank, and the bus will probably be sitting a little while after that. So I'm expecting to pay about $100 in fuel right now. I'm going to hit the shop up over there and grab a Red Bull real quick. I'll get back with you when this is done. When we're talking about the difference between the pumps, you can see the difference there between how fat that hose is and one of these, which is basically just a regular fuel hose. The other cool things about diesel pumps like this, if you've never, put diesel, is you'll see this side has the normal gauges and all, and this side has nothing. These are tandem pumps. This one will run off of that pump so that a larger truck, the 18-wheelers and stuff are used to, Mack trucks, if that's what you want to call them, will park here. They have fuel tanks on both sides. They can fill both tanks and just that meter will go up. So like I said, this particular gas station services to both. So they have these. Now these ones aren't necessarily off-road diesel. It'll say, you see how this one does not state off-road diesel, but it still has that fatter pump designed for larger trucks, and it doesn't fit right into the bus's pump. If you come over here, this is a regular hose because it's not on one of them tandem pumps, but it's the off-road diesel. And then over here we have the race gas, the Sunoco 260 GT 110, and that one is locked up because that is $9.90 a gallon. So I don't want you taking that one and trying to pay for it later. So let's see. Set $100, set $100, 62 cents, 43 gallons. It's about a 50-gallon tank. So as you can see, it's not exactly cheap if you were to daily drive a bus like we joked around about in the beginning of this vlog. We're already in the driveway basically, but we got to be careful. We got to be cautious. I want to park it right on the edge of my driveway to give my wife and I enough room, but I don't want to literally have it right on the edge to the point where it's going to potentially damage the concrete with all that weight right on the edge. Got two of my cars parked on that side of me, so we're checking both mirrors at all times. We have a couple of visual cues set up on the side of the bus to tell me when I'm back far enough, because depth perception looking all the way back here at that window is not going to be that great. So we just do right here is we open up our door and we look for, I have two tires, which I really need to get rid of right there. And we know that once we're past those planters, we take that line in the ground, put it pretty much even with this part of the bus right here, and we'll be back far enough and still leaving myself the necessary room to clear this walkway back here, for taking out the trash, stuff like that. All right, so let's get the door open so we can get a little air in here. Okay. Now that we're back at the house and relaxing, I just kind of wanted to take a second and go over some stuff. First of all, thank you for joining me on that vlog. I know it was a little, I hate to say pointless, but it was more of a fun vlog. There wasn't a whole lot going on. Just driving the bus, using it as a daily driver for a couple of days, getting that gift card out to Jess. Once again, congratulations to Jess, winning a $25 Visa gift card simply for being a subscriber to the channel and liking a post on Instagram. If you're new here, subscribe. We have a big giveaway coming out at 50 subs that we talked about in a previous video. So just wanted to take a second real quick and tell you guys kind of what's coming up on the channel about some of the videos coming out. I am reading from notes, so if you see me looking down, I just didn't want to miss anything for you guys. Some upcoming videos that we have. I'm going to do a little channel update / trailer. Just make a quick video, conversation, probably do it while I'm riding or while I'm driving the bus, because I want to take a second and tell you guys what to expect to see on this channel moving forward. It won't all just be this bus or those bikes, and tell you a little bit about why I'm starting a YouTube channel. We do obviously have some bus videos coming up. That's what most of you want to see anyway. So we're going to talk about pre-trip checklists. I always mess that up. Pre-trip checklists. What we check before we take the bus on like one of the Tail of the Dragon trips like we just did, as well as just tips for driving a bus around locally like I have been in this video, or highway driving. And we're going to install the LED accent lights around the inside of the bus. We're also going to do the audio upgrades, 4-channel amplifier going in, probably some new rear speakers, and hopefully a subwoofer. Hopefully more than one subwoofer. You can never have too much. We're going to put some driving lights in the grill, so we don't have to rely on that 20-inch light bar all the time. And probably toss in some LED light bulbs at the same time we do those driving lights. That sounds like a good idea. I'll write that down. We're going to work on a permanent ramp extension so we don't have to constantly bolt down that ramp designed to get the bikes into the back of a pickup truck when we want to load the bikes. And then hopefully soon, hopefully very soon, I can show you guys a video of the bus dipped It's simply a matter of getting time off from work consecutively to do this. I really don't want to do a day one week and a day next week. Obviously, there's going to be some bike videos coming up. I have a exciting moto vlog set up that I'm getting ready to start putting to test. I have some maintenance videos coming up. I'm going to show you how I maintain the bike. Got some track days. Hopefully, very soon I will make my 2020 day. Honestly, it'll be the break of a 5-year hiatus from the track. I have not been on the track since my son was born. Don't get me wrong, I'm going to get on track footage, but we're going to vlog. We're going to show you what it's like behind the scenes. We're going to show you like what it's like in the pits. We're going to show you what it's like to get ready. We're going to show you what it's like to load the bus and head to a track day. We're going to fix the RR, and we're hopefully going to get that on the track this year, and we'll document that on the channel. And then I think I decided to keep the GS 550 and make it a winter build for the channel. I've been debating selling it. It's free. I already have it. It's paid for. I have a title. I have most of the parts. We might as well slap that thing together on the channel over the winter when I can't really ride and won't be taking any trips in the bus to show you guys something. We're going to do the valves on the 1000 over the winter. I get to make the debut of powder coating on the channel, but probably not towards the end of the summer. So I think I mentioned it before. Some of you may know I like to powder coat as a hobby, not only parts. There's some stuff right here. This is a rear set that I powder coated for the RR, but not only parts. This is a dog bowl I made for one of my dogs, Peanut. I like to do custom stuff like this. My wife sells some of these things. And then this Gsxr cup. This was a silver stainless steel cup that turned into a 2-color cup. So I like to do these kinds of things with powder coating. We're also gonna powder coat the wheels for the 1000, the spare set. We have a lot coming up. Thank you for checking out the video. Thank you for sticking with me. If you got any entertainment out of this video whatsoever, or if you think you're gonna enjoy any of these videos coming up, please hit that subscribe button. Turn the post notifications on if you want. Follow me on Instagram at MrThomasJonesy, and I'll notify you there. If this video was cool, if you liked the channel, hit that thumbs up. It helps me more than you can know. Drop a comment below. Tell me what you liked, what you didn't like. Tell me what you want to see next, and ask me any questions you have. You can also check me out on TikTok at Socially Distanced 1. Not a lot of content up there yet. Still not really sure what I want to do with that app, but I'll probably be tossing some more up there soon. And I keep forgetting to tell you guys, if at any time during these videos we're talking about something, whether it's for the bus, for the bikes, for the powder coating, for the garage, for the camera setup, that you're interested in purchasing or seeing which one I'm using, check the links in the description below. Most of them are to Amazon. I try to make them Amazon Prime, so you can get them in 2 days for free if you're a Prime member, and you can get the gear that I'm using. Not gonna lie to you, it's an Amazon affiliate link. You'd be helping me out, be getting cool stuff and helping me out. Links in the description below. Let's go. Once again, guys, thank you, and I will see you at the next video.